Hi, hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel that is all in one corner. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about the data science internship opportunity for the university graduates. So this is from the company Microsoft. So if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting time, we will start and discuss about this opportunity. So this is the data science internship opportunity for the university graduates, and the location for this opportunity is multiple location, means across span. And here is the profession, that is engineering. Role type will be individual contributor. So friends, this is of the internship opportunity. So the role type will be individual contributor and the employment type will be internship. So friends, remember that this is not the permanent job, this is the internship type. Okay, and the work site will be Microsoft on site only. So what will be the responsibilities for the intern in these opportunities? So we will discuss. So the first is the develop highly scalable classifiers, data regression, recommendations and the predictive models. Second one is the analyze the petabytes of data and mine patterns from blogs. Bring data to life using rich visualizations, create language models, speech models, vision models, etc. Suggest, collect and synthesize the requirements and innovate to create next generation feature set. Enable natural and contextual interactions in apps, integrating cognitive and analytics services. Next one is the adapt standard ML methods to best exploit modern parallel environments. Next is the implement algorithms that power user and developer facing products, reaching out to millions of users. Measure and optimize the quality of your algorithms. Next one is next and the last one is the work in product teams, shipping large scale end-to-end applications or solution. So my dear friends, this is the responsibilities of this intern. After that we will discuss about the qualification, that means what is the eligibility criteria for this internship. So the eligibility criteria will be for is BTech or MTech or MS degree in computer science or related quantitative field with minimum 7 CGPA batch of 2024. So friends, this is for the BTech, that means engineer graduates, MTech or masters, MS degree in computer science or related quantitative field. So basically this internship is for the computer science students and relative quantitative field, and minimum criteria, that means minimum CGPA criteria is there, that means you have secure your 7 CGPA in up to second year, and those students who are in a second year now, they are eligible for this because they will be pass out in 24, and no backlogs, that means you should not have any active backlog during application. Okay, and after this there is a experience with R, means experience languages such as Ball, Python. Then there will be experience with Hadoop, etc. means knowledge of C++, C hash and .NET is a plus. So if you are knowledge in this field or experience with these languages, then you will be preferable for this internship. Okay, so if you have knowledge or experience in this field, so mention in that. Okay, so after that, what will be the benefits or perks for this opportunity mentioned by the Microsoft? So we will discuss. Benefits or perks listed below may vary depending on the nature of your employment with the Microsoft and the country where you work. So benefits and perks are industry leading healthcare, after that giving programs, after that opportunities to network and connect, discounts on products and services. So these are the benefits and perks you will get from this opportunity. Okay, so here are the some resources. There are frequently asked questions. If you have any questions related this, you can click on this frequently asked questions, or then interview tips are there, then more jobs are there, accessibility support are there. Okay, so if you want to know more, click on this link. Okay, so friends, those students now are in a second year and will be passed in 24. So this is the golden opportunity for those candidates, so apply before the link expire. And this is the golden opportunity, that means you should do this internship from the Microsoft if you do this internship and you will mention in your resume, so there are many more chances that you will select in upcoming drives after pass out. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, informative, share among your friends, those needy candidates who want to be do internship in Microsoft or any other. Please do share, guys. Thank you.